I dropped in South Carolina. But I don't know if y'all see what my fuel here and that. Let's say I got 134 miles. That's a lot, but shit. If I end up going in the mountains or something like that, I'm not going on the mountains though, but if I was and heavy, that fuel would burn real quick. Real quick. I think right now I'm getting 4.1 miles per gallon right now. I'm on the way to I'm trying to go to a pilot so I can take me a shower. I'm trying to find one on the way, so I don't have to make no detours. Come on. It's showing us one straight ahead, but up 70, but I gotta get 675. Come on, cars. Y'all see my blinker? Y'all, that's the thing, man. Matter of fact, that's what I'm gonna turn this into. A video for you four-wheelers. In case you don't know what a four-wheeler is, a four-wheeler are those cars, pickup trucks, four wheels. We 18 with the big trucks. Big drivers, come on. But yeah, man, you see this thing blinking right here? That's called a turn signal. They're not there just for looks now. Now when it's not flashing and it's steadily on, that's called a marker light, clearance light, whatever you want to call it. But when you see it flashing, that means I'm trying to get over. I'm not just doing it for no reason. I'm not doing it for fun. I'm not getting over just to get over. I'm getting over to either pass a vehicle, or you got a vehicle coming on the highway and I need to get over, because that's another thing. I get to that. But because they're trying to get on the highway. If you got it, man, it don't hurt just to get over. Like if it's no car in that lane, just simply get over. Like, come on now, it's simple. And then if it's a car right there, I mean, every time a truck every time I put my signal on, you know what the cars want to do? Speed up. Like, why? It ain't gonna be long that I'm right there, man. You're not gonna get no further speeding up, getting in front of me, than you would getting over or slowing down to let me over. But the other thing is, I'll try to give you an example. It's when merging onto the highways. The speed limit is 70. You got a truck in the far right lane, the granny lane. You call that the granny lane. For y'all forwarders who don't know, it's called the granny lane. That's the granny lane. Really, if it's no trucks in the left lane, this middle lane would be the hammer lane. And then if you was to get into the far left lane, that's called the hammer lane. 2 times. You got a hammer 2 times. But y'all see how these cars merging onto the highway? Nah, I'll wait on that. Y'all can't see that. But like I was saying, if you got a truck in the far right lane, they're going speed limit 70. Let's say they're going 70 miles per hour. This is the 80,000 pound truck. Fully loaded, 80,000 pounds. We can't just stop. It don't work like that. We can lock our brakes up and we still gonna keep on going for a while. We basically ain't gonna stop. You getting on the highway, don't come on the highway going all slow and then you sitting there to my side right next to my trailer thinking I'm gonna slow down. I can't slow down. I'm not gonna slow down. It's your job to yield onto the highway. You're supposed to catch up to speed and accelerate to highway speeds. Now, if I can get over, of course I'm gonna get over. But slowing down, I mean, I'll try to slow down a little bit, but you need to speed up or either stay your ass in the back and wait for me to pass, then you merge onto the highway. Cause you get onto the highway going, I'm 70, you going 50 miles per hour, I'm going to hit your ass. I can't stop like that. It take me up about a football field to stop. Nah, not a football. Probably longer than that. It's my exit, yeah. But yeah, man. Just some kind of sense stuff, man. These blinkers aren't on there for sure. And speed your ass up getting on the highway. I feel like this jackass here, why you stopping so far damn back? See, right now I ain't heavy. I'm only, how much I weigh? Right now I'm only 14,000 pounds. That's lightweight right there. Now, it was snowing the other day coming from Whirlpool. That's when I would prefer a heavy load. So basically, whenever it's whenever it's damn dude. Whenever it's snowing outside or real windy, me personally, I'd rather be heavy. Cause if it's snowing, the same goes for wet road. And you're light, you're more liable to spin, slide, slip, you know, etc., etc. Same goes, you know, with the snow. Now, as far as the wind, it's a big old 53 foot, 13 foot 6 high, 13.6 high drive van I got. Now, when you're empty, and let's say like I went up to Fancy Gap the other day, and I was heavy. I was 33,000 pounds. They had the sign up said extreme wind, not high wind, but extreme wind. Use cautious. You know, normally the faster you go, you know, the more you get blown if you windy. You know, I'm going up Fancy Gap. You know, this truck got problems going up hills, so I'm going about 45, and that wind still blowing me all over the road. I'm like, dang. So imagine if you was empty. Man, you would have been all over, but you had to go real slow. But yeah, I'd rather be empty, heavy, when I gotta go through certain weather conditions. But other than that, I'd rather be light. Like going up them hills, man. If y'all ever see, y'all know when y'all be seeing the, if y'all ever travel the mountains and whatnot, you see trucks going up hills with their flashers on. That's why, because all that weight dragging them back and they trying to go, so that gravity pulling them backwards. So that's why they got their hazards on. And driver, you truck drivers out there, well, I say steering wheel holders, but truck drivers know. Steering wheel holders, if you're going slow, if it's a 3-lane road, get your ass in the right lane. Why are you in the middle lane? Now you forcing me to get into the slow lane, but to pass around you with hopes of it's not a slow vehicle in that right lane. Cause then now I'm gonna have to slow down. And it's gonna take me a while to get my speed back up. Or get into the hammer lane, in which I did that before. And I ended up getting, luckily I didn't get a ticket, but he gave me a warning for being in the left lane. Cause I was back in, where was that? I think Pennsylvania? Nah, Indiana. Yeah, I was in Indiana. And shit, it was damn slow vehicles in the right. But then you had a slow matter of fact, it was a Swift trying to pass somebody, but I don't remember who it was, but he was slow too. So shit, they all going below the speed limit, so left lane open. So what I do, I get in the hammer lane. Shit, make a quick little pass, and I ended up, I started speeding to do that, you know. I get over, I see a police bust a U-turn, DOT, I said, ah shit, he got me. I was on the phone with some of my other truck driver friends. They were like, no, you didn't. I was like, man, I ain't about to play about that. Sure enough, I see them blue lights. I pull over, check my logs, whatnot, give them a driver license. Ask why I did that. I said, man, there were two slow people in the right lane. They're going below the speed limit. He didn't get me for speeding, but you know, he went back to his vehicle, did what he did, came back, said, all right, I'm gonna give you a warning. Yeah, stay out the left lane. So trucks. Matter of fact, that go for cars too. A lot of you cars, 3 lanes road, y'all like to just sit in the middle lane the whole time. That's our hammer lane too now. Like, that ain't necessarily the cruising lane. I mean, it is, but I mean, if you got vehicles coming up on you, I mean, be a courteous driver and get over, then get back over. I mean, really just stay in the right lane. I mean, especially if it ain't no exits coming up no time soon, so you ain't gotta worry about cars coming on the highway. Just get over them.